Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you're a financial consultant, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet. Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. Super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you in your small business. So once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, financial consultants. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter in which country you're a financial consultant, you can use the Marty Sites platform. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Leave the country as the USA and click on continue. Let Marty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my small business in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together what it's come up with. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, perhaps you've got some of your own images and you want to make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be working my way from the top to the bottom through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. The first thing I'm going to do is click on update section at the top and go ahead and put in my company email address. I want to make sure this box is ticked so my email address is displayed on my website. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number and our address. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and put in my street address now if I have one that is, as well as my postal code. The great thing about that physical location, it's displayed in the top left hand corner as well as at the bottom of your website. When your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Awesome. Let's move along. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and put in our social links. Head on over to update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is perhaps active on. Go ahead and put in your Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, the links for your various social media platforms. The icons will be displayed at the top of your website as well as the bottom. And it's great for your customers, to get in touch with you, get some engagement going, give you a follow, and see what your business is up to. Let's move along. If you don't have a logo yet, you're in the startup process of your business, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your business name here and it still looks really professional. However, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload my logo as I have one. Now, if you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. Great, so my logo has been uploaded, but I do want to crop it ever so slightly so it fits better into the section over there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this pencil and crop it ever so slightly. I can as well add filters, I can decorate it, I can rotate, zoom, flip it, etc. Let's go ahead and re-upload that. Awesome. I've now cropped it. It's been uploaded. I'm now going to click on save. Great, that looks way better. I can make it bigger and smaller if necessary, but I'm quite happy with that at the moment. Let's move along. Now, with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your financial consultant business. However, perhaps these colors don't quite go with your branding, your business cards. Maybe you have a completely different color and you want to change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to just click on the handy little paint bucket over here and scroll through, go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. Let's check it out. Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and probably select this one. I can change it at a later stage and that looks absolutely fantastic. Let's try that one as well. That also looks really great. I'm quite spoiled for choice here, but I think I'm going to go ahead with the gray because it's very professional and subtle. Awesome. Let's hit the update section. Over here, we can update our image. Go ahead and browse your device and upload it if you want to upload one of your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from. Multi-sites will automatically search for financial consultant, but you can choose different terms and search for different words and see what pops up. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Awesome. Let's go ahead and save that. We can change it at a later stage. That looks great for now, but I can change it if need be. Let's head to update contents over here. We can put our title, subtitle, change our content to suit our needs. Button doesn't have to say get in touch, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it and choose my link. Now over here you can link to another website. Maybe you have a calendar booking website that you take bookings on, or you want to link to another part of your multi-site website like the lead form at the bottom, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Otherwise, an action like click to call directions or click to email. So I'm going to put this as click to call. You can as well upload a PDF file, which is a fantastic option to put all the information, maybe information about you and your business in PDF format if you wanted to do that. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and make the necessary changes. We've now made our way into the About Me section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you became a financial consultant, how you got into this industry, how long you studied for, perhaps. Do you offer financial education and support to your clients to make informed decisions about their finances? How can you help your customers? Go ahead and put as much information here as possible. Your customers would love to hear your story. Over here is a great spot for a photo of yourself, perhaps. We've now made our way into the services section. Here you can put a little bit more details of the different services you offer. Do you offer wealth management, retirement planning, education planning, perhaps, estate planning, tax and insurance strategies? Do you have offer like a free once-off consultation, no obligation? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know exactly what they can reach out to you for help with. We've now made our way into the lead form, which I've just previously mentioned to you. Over here, your customers put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified via email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. So now if you have a custom domain, click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. Now, if you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martyshouse.com. Head on over to our blog. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. As a small business owner, I recommend check it out. There's so much valuable information here on this blog. Do check it out. If you don't have a domain, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Marty Sites platform. Now over here, you're in your Marty dashboard. Over here, you can find the leads from that form at the bottom, which I've just shown you. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your financial consultant business. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Now, the great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. You've got nothing to lose. If you have any suggestions or any features or any questions about the Mighty Sites platform, or anything you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.